Hello everybody, it's Mindy and welcome to mid-March. Spring coming? Maybe. These are very springy feeling. So let's get into it and I'll show you what I have. Thank you GBFKE for sending these for me to show everybody. This is from GBFKE, all right? So let's get into it and I'll show you what we have. Let's slide some stuff to the side first of all, and let's start with this. So, you know, we all like our little fancier pens sometimes, you know? If you've never tried one, you might like one. This was very affordable on their site, and I thought I would get one to try it out and see what I think about it, right? All right, so let's get it out of the little bag here. And as you can tell, it's coming with some additional things. So it's coming with a couple of multi-placers and a straightener. And it comes with a multi-placer on the end already. All right, so single placer on one end, multi-placer there, and a couple of extras for you. That's pretty nice. Excuse me. Goodness. It just came over me all of a sudden. All right, let's put those in there so we don't lose them. So look at how pretty that is. It's this very pretty greenish teal kind of see-through here. You can see through it there a little bit. Some swirls in it. Feels really good in my hand. It's a nice weight. I love the weight of it. I love this grip. It's my favorite. I don't like big, fat, chunky pens. So this is perfect for me. Easy to flip around. I flip them all the time. Flip, 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 right? I like it. It's really nice. It's a nice little pen, and it was really reasonably priced. I will link it below. They had multiple colors. And I went with green just because it was something different that I don't have. I don't know about you, but I tend to stick to the same kinds of things all the time, certain colors or whatnot. I get kind of stuck in a rut. All right, so let's look at some paintings. All right, like I said, spring is in the air. They all did come with a toolkit just like this one, okay? So this comes pre-bagged. Oh my gosh, look at those bright colors right there. Look at those greens and oranges. Oh, those are pretty, right? So, of course, I had to get a little springtime gnome. He says, welcome. Now, I have noticed as I was unbagging these, this one does have guide circles. Now, they are not huge. They are not really dark. We'll hope for the best. You know, I'm not a fan, but some people like their guide circles. But look at him. Isn't he just adorable? He is ready for summer, right? These look like cosmos back here. That's what I would call those. A couple butterflies. He's got a tulip. He's got a bee. Watch out, dude. Your bee's coming to get your flower. Looks like that's a ladybug. Another ladybug. We got some flowers down here. Isn't that cute, though? How cute. I thought that was just adorable. It has 25 colors. It is all letters. No, like 2 symbols, I think. And all of your codes are over here on the left. That's the only legend. There is not one over here. But there's a picture at the top up there. That's cute. All right. I'm not going to take all these out. I do appreciate that they've come in bags. Look at those 2 colors together. Isn't that pretty, though? I mean, we can see all of these colors without me taking them out of the bag, right? Some pinks, some greens, yellow, blue. That's a gray. I love these colors together right here. These oranges and greens. And then some reds. And that's more green, very, very pale green right there, and a gray. Very nice. I love that they come this way. That is my favorite packaging for drills right there. I love that. All right, so there's what you get for that one. Love it. This one, I was surprised. I did not realize that this was a partial, and it is. It's a partial. This one attracted me because of the grayscale in the background, and then the pop of color for the flowers in the center. I did not realize that this was not going to be drilled, okay? None of that is sticky. So it is a partial. Is it a partial? Is it an okay partial? Sometimes I don't like partials. This one I think will be all right. I don't like partials when it was just like, here's a little bit here and a little bit here, and they just kind of stuck out, and it was weird, right? But this one having just the gray background and then the flower in the center, I mean, I think it'll be all right. It has 8 colors, just 8 colors on that, right? I mean, yeah, it's all pink. All right, let's show you what we got. All right, here they are. So I said it's all pink and we start with purple. Now there's some purple in the center. Purple and brown and gold in the center. There's the brown for the center. And here's the pinks. 1 shade, 2 shades, 3, 4 shades of pink, a little bit of black, and the orange. That's what you get. That's it, folks. I mean, it'll be pretty, right? Quick to do, right? You're not doing all of the background. It'll be quick. It'll be quick and easy. Bring on the spring. Bring on the spring. Like I said, bring on the spring. What's the world without a couple of garden gnomes? I mean, seriously, aren't gnomes really garden gnomes? I mean, that's how I originally think of gnomes, as garden gnomes. You know, they hang out in your garden, right? There's a gnome in the garden with the flowers. He's got the tulips and the daisies and the butterflies. There's his house. He lives back there. Or maybe he doesn't. Maybe like humans live back there. He's just tending the garden. I don't know. But isn't it cute? No, that's a she. Let me take that back. This one is a girl gnome. It's a girl. Look, here's her braid. She's got a long braided hair down here. She's a girl. Uh-huh. How cute. Love it. This one does not have guide circles, so you just never know. It has 24 colors. They're all letters. There's a legend here and a legend here. With all of your letters, all the DMC codes are there. Picture printed. Very rarely do we find pixel printed anymore on these, but they do happen occasionally. Anyhow, there it is. She's cute. She's busy. Busy, busy, busy gnome. She's got a lot of flowers to harvest. There's a lot of colors in that one. 24. I have a piece of plastic. Plastic. All right. Here are our colors. Let's roll through them. Upside down, backwards. What do you want to see? Okay. A bunch of blues. Blue. These are the same, I believe. Yep. 10. And then this one's different. Or 1. Sorry, that's 1. And then this one's a little grayer. Some brown, black, couple grays, a pink, and then bring on some greens. Excuse me, there must be something in my throat. Let's take a pause for a drink. Maybe that'll help. I got a scratchy throat. I don't know. Some blue grays, brown, cream, some mossy greens. There's a few more. Bright pink, love that pink. Our mint, some goldenrod colors. So pretty. All right, I need to do a full drill gnome again. I've only done one, I think. That's bad. Oh my goodness, I have so many and I haven't done them. All right, look at this guy. Girl, she's a girl, clearly, girl. Bows, things like that. Cute, right? Just a little cute thing. Love it. Love it, love it. Love her. She's adorable. She has 13 different colors, different stones, shapes, drills. They all look like they're rhinestones. No, there's a couple marquees here and probably a few rounds. The rest look like they're rhinestones. A lot of rhinestones. It's just cute. Just a little 30 by 30. Perfect little scrapbook project, right? So I am in filming mode today. Film. So I can get things done that are like sitting around. And then maybe I could work on some of those fun projects. All right, clear, light pink, darker pink, a gold, pretty teal, kind of a bronzy amber looking color. A couple more pinks. Why not? Let's add some more pinks. I mean, she is pink. Green, pink. Oh, look it. We have these beautiful like black ABs. That's lovely. I like those. So that adds a little something special to it instead of just rhinestones. I love that. And then here's our marquees. Look, they gave us a whole bag of marquees, and I think we need 2, right? Okay. And then those are white. Her little dots on her bow will be white, the white pearls. Love it. Okay, love it, love it, love it. Yes, yes, yes. You're ready to go back in the bag. Look at you. All right, one more item to show you, and I've been waiting for this one. I've been waiting. All right, lots of pieces and parts here. Pieces and parts. Some of you might recognize these. Other people have gotten them. All right, so we have clips. 2 clips. Clip, clip, clip. We have 2 stands. Oh, they say something on them. What do they say? Life is beautiful and beautiful days. Oh, look at that. That's cute. A little saying on them. Okay, that's cute. All right, so 2 little stands, toolkit, drills, 2 little note cards. These are note cards. And then we have these. Da-da-da. Love it, right? Me and my sunflowers. I love my sunflowers. So there are 2 pots of sunflowers. There's this one, has 2 sunflowers. These are acrylic. They're the nice thick acrylic. And this one has 4 sunflowers. So you will drill all of this, right? They're one-sided, just one-sided. And then these will go into your little stand. So they'll go right in your stand. See if it'll go in there for me. Come on, go on in there. There it is. Okay, so they stand up on the stand. And then this is designed to like hold your little note card. And I'm not certain how it's supposed to hold a note card. I don't know. Let's see. I might do something like this. I don't know. They're weird. You would think that they would like, I don't know, stick to the back or something, which you could definitely do. You could take this and you could put sticky stuff, like a little sticky on the back. Does it come with sticky? I don't know. We'll find out. I don't think it does, but that is what I would do with it. I would take double-sided sticky and I would stick it on the back like such, right? So imagine this is stuck on the back. Stick it on the back with some double-sided sticky. And then you put your card in here and this is stuck on the back like that, right? That's what I would do with it. That's how I would do this. Anyhow. Just thought I'd share that. I'd put the note card the right side up though because it's currently upside down, but you know. Go with the flow here. Go with the flow. Anyhow, I really wanted to see these. I mean, I think they're cute just like that. Don't get me wrong. But if you wanted to use it for the notes, that's how I would deal with that. Okay? All right. Let's see what kind of drills we have for them. I'm hoping we have some beautiful like gold shards because the sunflowers and the gold shards, they were meant to go together, you guys. Meant to go together. All right? Okay, here we go. We have some orange rhinestones, a few greens. Oh, and here they are. 1 bag, 2 bags of my gold shards. Those make excellent sunflower petals, you guys. They're perfect. Love those. Love them. And then we have some little champagne teardrops. And we have a few pretty orange faceted rounds. Love it. Love it. Love it. All right, I'm going to have to do these up pretty quickly because I like these. I like them a lot. Yep. Okay. All right, that's what I got from GBFKE, you guys. And I will link everything below. If you see something here that you're interested in, you can go check them out and see if you want some for yourself. Love it. Like I said, spring. I'm feeling spring. Come on, bring on the spring, okay? As it's going to get colder again this weekend. Yeah, what can we do? All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. Hit the like button. If you're new here, consider subscribing. You know, there's a little button right down there. It just says subscribe over there. Subscribe. And then you can find all of my videos and you can come back and see more because I'm always up to something. Okay? I appreciate everybody and I hope you all have a great day and I will see you soon. Spring is in the air. Yes. Bye, everybody.